For novice shooters entering the world of handguns, selecting the right firearm is pivotal to developing safe and confident skills. Entry-level models like the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield and Ruger SR22 offer user-friendly designs with manageable recoil and straightforward controls. These pistols prioritize ease of use and reliability, providing beginners with a platform to hone their marksmanship without overwhelming complexity. Additionally, the Glock 19 Gen 5 stands out for its intuitive operation and renowned durability, making it an excellent choice for those new to firearms. With proper training and guidance, these handguns empower beginners to embark on their shooting journey with confidence and competence. Now let's get started. Number 8. Ruger LCR 22 LR Revolver is a reliable and versatile revolver ideal for training, target shooting, and self-defense. Weighing only 14.9 ounces, this compact revolver features a 1.87-inch barrel, Hogue Tamer monogrip, and a 6-round capacity. The LCR 22 LR boasts a smooth double-action trigger and a monolithic frame constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. Additionally, the revolver's cylinder is made from stainless steel, and the barrel features a precision crown muzzle for enhanced accuracy. The Ruger LCR 22 LR is an excellent choice for new shooters, offering a low-recoil shooting experience, and its compact design makes it easy to carry and conceal. With its impressive features and affordability, this revolver is a popular choice among firearms enthusiasts, providing a fun and safe shooting experience for all skill levels. Number 7. H&K VP9 is a striker-fired, polymer-framed pistol designed for exceptional comfort and performance. Chambered in 9mm Luger, it boasts a customizable grip with interchangeable back straps and side panels to fit a variety of hand sizes. The VP9 features a hammer-forged polygonal barrel for accuracy and durability, along with a lightweight trigger and ambidextrous controls for easy operation by both right and left-handed shooters. An integrated Picatinny rail allows for the attachment of lights or lasers, and with its included 17-round magazine, the VP9 is a reliable option for personal defense, target shooting, or law enforcement use. Number 6. CZ P10C, compact pistol known for its excellent ergonomics and comfortable grip. This Czech-made 9mm Luger powerhouse is designed for concealed carry and self-defense situations. The lightweight, fiber-reinforced polymer frame keeps it comfortable for all-day carry, while the cold hammer-forged steel barrel ensures accuracy and durability. Interchangeable back straps allow for a personalized fit, and the ambidextrous controls make it usable for both right and left-handed shooters. With a 15+1 round capacity and features like a firing pin, block safety, and luminescent sights, the CZ P10C offers a balance of firepower, safety, and shootability for everyday carry or competition use. Number 5. Koenig Meta MC9 redefines the micro-compact pistol category with its ultra-thin 28mm profile and high-capacity magazines. This 9mm Luger striker-fired pistol offers exceptional comfort for concealed carry despite boasting class-leading magazine capacities of 12 or 15 rounds. Its modular design allows for quick disassembly and reassembly, including the entire trigger group. Standard sights are a blacked-out rear sight paired with a single white dot front sight, but the METE MC9 also features co-witnessing capabilities, allowing for the use of both iron sights and a red dot sight simultaneously for improved target acquisition. This feature-packed micro-compact is ideal for everyday carry, or as a reliable backup pistol. Number 4. Beretta Apex Carry. Designed with user customization in mind, the modular frame allows for the attachment of red dot optics and interchangeable grip panels in multiple colors to fit various hand sizes and preferences. The APX A1 Carry boasts a short, light trigger for improved accuracy in self-defense situations, while the aggressive slide serrations ensure easy manipulation during chambering. This striker-fired pistol offers ambidextrous controls for both right and left-handed shooters, and its low-bore axis design helps mitigate recoil for faster follow-up shots. With its reliable performance and focus on concealed carry comfort, the Beretta APX A1 Carry is a strong contender for everyday carry or personal defense. Number 3. SIG P320, semi-automatic pistol known for its adaptability and versatility. Chambered in a variety of calibers, including 9mm 40 S&W and even 10mm auto, the P320 allows for easy caliber changes with a switch of the barrel and grip module. This modularity extends to the grip itself, with interchangeable grip panels that conform to different hand sizes. The P320 features a striker-fired design for a smooth, consistent trigger pull, and its optics-ready slide allows for the addition of red dot sights for enhanced target acquisition. With its customizable features, various caliber options, and reliable performance, the SIG P320 caters to a wide range of users, from law enforcement professionals to competition shooters and personal defense enthusiasts. Number 2. Walther CCP M2 is a polymer-framed, semi-automatic pistol designed specifically for comfortable concealed carry. Chambered in the .380 ACP caliber, it offers a balance between firepower and manageable recoil for everyday carry. The CCP-M2 utilizes Walther's innovative soft coil gas system, which reduces felt recoil and allows for easier slide manipulation. This, combined with the ergonomic grip design, makes the CCP-M2 comfortable to shoot even for users with less hand strength. It features an ambidextrous magazine release and an internal safety system for secure carrying. With its compact size, lightweight build, and reliable operation, the Walther CCP-M2 is a great option for those seeking a discreet and comfortable concealed carry pistol for personal defense. Number 1. Taurus G3 offers a striker-fired polymer-framed pistol option for various applications, with models in full-size, compact, and optic-ready configurations. Chambered in 9mm Luger, the G3 boasts a reputation for affordability and functionality. Its ergonomic grip with texturing provides a secure hold, while the interchangeable back straps allow for personalization. The G3 features a smooth trigger for improved accuracy and a striker with a second strike capability for added reliability. Standard sights are a fixed front sight paired with an adjustable rear sight, but some models come optic-ready for the addition of red dot sights. With magazine capacities ranging from 10 to 17 rounds depending on the model, the Taurus G3 series caters to shooters looking for a budget-friendly, feature-rich pistol for target practice, home defense, or everyday carry.